The prophecy is true.
Guys, it's K-Dub here with another episode of Crypto Zombie. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day today. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies absolutely exploding. Bitcoin leading the race, up 8%. Lots of altcoins in the green today. My goodness, we did in fact smash some major resistances. Look at this. We said yesterday we were getting right to the end of this apex and boom, we had an absolute blast off. So today I want to talk about, is this bullish for Bitcoin? Well, let's be honest, short term, this is pretty incredible, but obviously now that we have got past some pretty major resistances, we need to talk about the next levels. What is going on? Is this a fake out? Should you be taking profits? We're going to talk about all that today, and I also want to go into two extremely bullish Bitcoin charts. One of them we've never, ever spoken about on the channel at all. I also want to show you how crypto sentiment is actually up, especially in places like Europe, despite the virus that's going on right now. And also banks are getting absolute demand from not only institutional investors, exchanges, retail, and I'm going to prove that all to you today in this video. We're going to keep it super quick, get straight to the point. If that sounds good to you, you know what to do. Also, if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We do this every single day. And with such an exciting place like Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, well, you're certainly missing out. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. So we did have a Bitcoin breakout. We got above the major resistance of $7,800, the resistance that we had been looking at for quite a long time on this channel. You can see right here, moving over, we are well above the 200 daily moving average on Bitstamp. This is incredible. Having a look right here, you could see the major resistance. We also got above the ascending trend, putting in a much higher high. Okay, now let's be honest. Should we be getting excited? Well, keep in mind that we do need to close the daily candle above around the $8,000 level. So you do want to see Bitcoin close over $8,000 by the end of today. And also, let's not forget, we broke above the 21 exponential weekly moving average. Now, we have broken above it before and also had a pullback. Keep in mind, we do have this descending trend right here. Okay, we have had some resistance that started back here at around June 24th. Then we had a little bit more right here between February 10th and February 17th. And now we do need to have a weekly candle that essentially closes above $9,500 to break out of this ascending trend. Short term, we just need to stay above around 7,600. So we do want to close above 7,600 at the end of this week. And then to ultimately break out of this descending channel, we would want to get above those levels. You can see, however, though, we do still have a CME futures gap all the way up at 9,060, so there still is that potential chance we might close that gap. Now, having a look right here, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Obviously, Cactus Crypto over here, he says that the RSI is about to enter overbought on the daily for the first time since February 18th, the day that we crashed. So just be a little bit, consciously aware of the fact that it might be a lot of overexuberance right now. We are having massively high prices. Now, zooming out, having a look at the macro picture for Bitcoin, we do have to be realistic. We have had some major resistance starting back here when we got to the top. Also some resistance again back in February. And if we were even to get back to those levels of around 9,500, 9,600, even if we were to to close the CME futures gap, we would actually still be hitting some major resistance. So what I really want to see for Bitcoin is to break that trend out of it and put in another higher high on the weekly. Now, keep in mind, if we were to get stomped out at around that $9,500 level, we could have Bitcoin coming all the way back down, retesting even down to the low 6,000s or even the $5,000 level again. That is very possible. I don't want to get bearish. I just want to be realistic, guys. You know I'm a long-term Bitcoin bull. And let's not forget about the Bitcoin halving coming up in less than 2 weeks. Lots of people are excited. Lots of people are actually saying that maybe since the last two halvings were sort of non-events or they even dumped afterwards or leading up to, maybe this time we're going to just have a massive pump to throw everybody off. And yeah, I mean, having a look at what's going on right now, lots of green across the charts today. Now, one thing I did want to talk about, actually two things, is two bullish charts. Number one comes from Trader Smokey, and this is basically the Ichimoku cloud. And basically, he's showing a small samplings of the time that the cloud has turned fully bullish for Bitcoin, and he's highlighting how Bitcoin performed in this technical occurrence. And you can see right here from the small portion of their history, so basically from late 2014 to early 2017, the Ichimoku cloud crossing bullish has been a very good indicator for a follow-through of major rallies, and he is looking for that to flip bullish. In fact, maybe by the time you're watching this video, it already has flipped bullish. And number two, data from Glassnode basically shows that sentiment for Bitcoin could be entering a bull phase. So they reported that the Bitcoin short-term hodler NUPL metric, which is an indicator tracking the profitability of short-term cryptocurrency investors and traders, has entered what they refer to as the hope stage. So you can see right here, according to the chart, it's a signal that's previously indicated the start of bull markets, with the metric peaking above the crucial level in late 2015 prior to the 4,000% surge to 20K and at the start of last year's rally all the way up, right? So basically they say a key moment to watch, Bitcoin short-term holder NUPL has entered the hope zone, staying above this zone has previously indicated the start of bull markets. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys bullish yet? Or are you still bearish? Are you still in a short? Are you still shorting the Ponzi to zero? Let me know. Well, I'll tell you what, there's definitely some institutional interest. Not only that, but you can see Silvergate Bank has added 46 crypto customers in just their first quarter and saw fee income and deposits increase from those customers. Basically, not only have they seen an increase in customers, but their previous customers that were already signed up have actually added and shown more interest in their positions. In fact, you saw just on the major crash alone, you had seen massive percentage of increases. You could see right here, the bank has 850 digital currency customers, including 61 exchanges, 541 institutional investors, and 248, I guess, retail customers. They call them other customers. The largest customer segment increase was in institutional investors. So institutional investors was one of the largest segments increasing, okay? So that shows you that the institutions are certainly interested in buying Bitcoin. And I also want to end on one bit of news right here. I did have pulled up. Where was it? Oh, here it is. So basically, this was a poll that was done, and the levels of confidence in European countries and cryptocurrencies are on the rise. In fact, Bitflyer surveyed 10,000 people from 10 European countries on their opinion and views of the future of digital assets. And according to the poll, 66% of Europeans believe that digital assets will still exist a decade from today. And this is the really interesting part too. When you actually broke down the data to different countries, Italy, okay, which was the country in Europe that was affected the most by the recent pandemic, expressed the most optimism about digital asset usage, being 72% of Italian participants. So I don't know what to tell you guys. Things are looking pretty bullish. If you still think Bitcoin is going to zero, I don't know why you're even watching. Why are you even watching Crypto Channel? So yeah, guys, that being said, amazing day for Bitcoin, amazing gains today. Congratulations for anybody that's entered in a long, or even if you're just sitting in crypto, just holding, just being a long-term dollar cost averager. This is amazing. And yeah. So that's it for me today, guys. So definitely be sure to check out that Prime XBT link. I think it's really cool. Like I said, guys, obviously trading on, things like leverage is extremely dangerous. I don't recommend it for beginners, but they are offering a pretty incredible 50% bonus. I could not turn down that offer for you guys to get in on that. So definitely check out the link below, and then don't forget to enter the promo code once you sign up. That's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much again for coming back to the channel. If you haven't got subscribed, definitely get subscribed. We also do have a free Crypto Zombies Telegram group. If you're new, if you want to join, it's just a bunch of us. We hang out. We talk about crypto all day. It's absolutely free. Doesn't cost you anything. And yeah, that's it for me. Oh yeah, and if you guys want, we do give away a Ledger Nano S every single Monday. Drop a comment below. You are eligible. That's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. My name is K-Dub. This is Crypto Zombie. Until next time, stay crypto. And of course, peace out.